Hey guys, welcome to this karate tutorial. So, first things first, we need to make sure the environment is set up correctly. So what you want to do first is do java-version, that'll give you the Java version. You want to do MVN-version, gives you the MVN, Maven version. Then you want to do echo Java home, that will give you where you have Java home set up, and the same for Maven home. Now, if you have Java Maven installed but you aren't getting these here, what you have to do is go to environment variables. So click on start, type in env, edit the system variables, environmental variables, and then you click on new here. So you click on new, and then for Java home you put in Java home, and then you give it the path to where the JDK is. So that's important. You want to make sure that JDK is in that path as well. And then similarly for Maven, but you just need to specify where the Maven folder is, just like this one here. Okay, and once those two things are installed, you also need to have Git installed as well if you want to pull down the project. So what we'll do is we'll go into GitHub here, we'll go to Karate. So if you just do a Google search on Karate API, this one will come up. So it's Karate by Intuit. Then click on code up here and copy this. Then you want to open up Visual Studio Code, and we're going to clone that repo down. For me, I'm going to select, I'm already in the documents folder, so if the terminal isn't opened up here, just give it a second to run up, you click on terminal up here and new terminal, and then you should see it. So simply we're going to do git clone and paste in that, what we've copied from the repo. Depending on your internet connection, obviously this shouldn't take too long. What size is it? It's about 21 megs, so it should be fairly quick if you've got a fiber connection anyway. Once we have this downloaded, we'll see the karate folder. We're going to go into the karate folder as well. We're going into the examples, and we're going to run one of the, I'll probably run the mock server and the UI test just to make sure that everything's up and running correctly. Also, another thing to get would be the Karate plugin. You can find it here. Just search for Karate Runner, and it's this one here. Okay, so that is finished downloading. So we want to CD into Karate. So if you do tab, it'll go into it. Let's go the full way in. So we want to go into the examples, and we want to go into the UI test. So once we've done that, we want to run Maven. So let's do MVN clean test. Now this might take a couple of, well, hopefully less than a minute to run. It's going to download any dependencies and resources that it needs for Maven. Again, this will depend on the speed of your machine and the speed of your internet connection as well. And if it takes too long here, I'll just speed it up. Okay, it seems to be going fast enough anyway. So we have, make sure your environment is set up. You might need to restart VS Code once you install the Karate Runner as well, just so that you can see all the prettified text. So if we go into source while this is still going on, we go into UI, we'll go into the test feature, and there we can just see it's all kind of prettified. If we didn't have that plugin, all of this text would probably be white, I'd say. Now, if we want to run this, we can go into test feature. I think we can run it from here. So if we just click on Karate Run, and then we specify the UI runner, we should see it running. It gives us this here, so we can copy this and we can run it on its own if we wanted to. And see, the runner runs it. Oh, we might need to start the mock server first. So if this fails, we'll stop it and we'll start the mock server. And hopefully the mock server's got the right one. If you've got this far without errors, you're going good, and you're probably nearly set up to run the rest of the karate project anyway. This is just to verify. And by the way, if anyone that has any questions or are getting any errors, just give me a shout and I'll try and help you out, or leave a comment down in the comments section. Okay, we can see it started up, so the UI is actually ran, so it must be starting up a mock server for us. But it looks like we're getting errors here. Debug. Okay, I don't think that matters too much anyway. We can just go Control C. We'll cancel out F that, and we'll call it at that, because once you see this page opening up, you know that it's running correctly and you've got past most of the steps. So we'll leave it at that for today. If anyone has any questions, again, comments. If you like it, give us a like, give us a subscribe, it would help a lot, and let me know. Any feedback would be really appreciated. Okay, cheers.